What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So obviously I posted this video the other day, which is the 2021 Hayabusa, which obviously I know some people absolutely love. I am not one of those people. I mean, just from the video you're seeing here, I think it's the second gen, well, both first and second gens Hayabusas, I think they are just ugly. It's just, I understand they have a huge motor, they're super fast. I just can't get over how big and fat they are. I mean, like, even the front end, like, I could kind of get over the front end, but that rear end hump, I just don't understand. Like, I get it's probably, you know, oh, if you're going super fast, it's got a hump to keep you in the seat so you don't slide off of it, but I can't. Nothing about it, like the big motor, the speed of it, it doesn't do it for me, especially now. When you consider you have the H2, which is, you know, the same kind of idea of a bike, just ridiculously fast, huge motor, that's supercharged even, so like, you know, even better to me. It's a cooler sound, it's a better looking bike. I don't understand. I don't see where this is gonna fall in. Like, I know people are gonna buy it in droves because it's the new Hayabusa and people love them, and it's one of those Busa Bros things, but I just don't get it. I don't like the headlights, I don't like the exhaust, I don't like the body styling, anything about it. To me, it's just way too much of a bike. Like, not even speed-wise, just body and fairings and everything. I just don't get it. So, obviously, this is the second video on the Busa. Comment down below and tell me what you think. Have you owned one? Do you like it? Are you planning on buying one? I don't know. Just leave a comment down below what you think about it. Like, share, subscribe, comment about anything. I don't care if it's about tacos or what day of the week it is. Let's have some conversation, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.